turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. Pull on the bonnet release lever. Now open the bonnet. You should be able to see the primer pump on the upper left of the engine compartment. In order to replace the diesel filter, it is first necessary to raise the front of your vehicle and take off the front right-hand wheel. This will give you access to the diesel fuel filter. Raise the front of the vehicle and put it in the axle stands. We strongly suggest watching the tutorial Raising Your Vehicle Safely before carrying out this step. You now have to take off the front right mudguard to access the diesel fuel filter. Pull back the holding hooks on the mudguard using pliers. Slide the pliers as far as possible under the hook and make small back and forward movements, pulling the hook towards you. This will avoid breaking the hooks, so you will then be able to use them again. Using a 15mm Torx screwdriver, take off the 2 screws located under the bumper. You can now take off the mudguard. With a socket wrench and a 10mm socket, unscrew the metal plate protecting the filter. Unclip the filter by pushing upwards, which should release it from its housing. Be sure to protect the floor with cardboard or a plastic cover to collect the fluids. To disconnect each tube, use your nail or a flathead screwdriver and push on the coloured part of the connector. Then, at the same time, pull on the tube. Replacing the filter. Compare the new filter with the old one to ensure that they're identical. Reconnect the new filter tube by tube. Reclip the new filter into its housing. Before putting everything back in place, check that the filter is working properly. Before starting your vehicle, pump the primer pump until it becomes hard. You can then start your vehicle. Now switch off the ignition again and reattach the protective plate. You can now put the mudguard back on. You can now put the vehicle wheel back in place and lower your car to the ground. Not forgetting to fully fix the wheel in place. Operation completed.